Let's talk about car care in the UK. It's something we all know we should do, but somehow it always slips down the to-do list. Whether you drive a classic Mini or a modern hatchback, looking after your car is a universal challenge. We love our cars, but let's face it, we often ignore maintenance until something goes wrong. Washing and polishing is one thing, but when it comes to the important stuff under the bonnet, many of us turn a blind eye. Most of us wait for a dashboard warning or a strange noise before acting, treating car care like a dentist appointment we'd rather avoid. It's easy to put off, especially when everything seems to be running smoothly. This "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" mindset is risky. It might feel like you're saving time and money, but in reality, you're just delaying the inevitable and often making things worse. You're gambling with your safety, time, and money. A breakdown never happens at a convenient moment, and the costs can quickly spiral out of control. A car is a complex machine. Hundreds of parts work together, and even a small issue can trigger a chain reaction of problems if left unchecked. Ignoring small issues is like ignoring a leaky tap. Eventually, you'll face a much bigger problem. What starts as a minor annoyance can turn into a major repair, costing you far more than a simple fix would have. By the time a warning light comes on, the damage is already done. That little symbol on your dashboard is often the result of weeks or even months of unnoticed wear and tear. That light isn't a friendly reminder, it's a last-ditch cry for help. Your car is telling you it's in trouble, and ignoring it can lead to breakdowns or even dangerous situations on the road. Waiting for obvious signs is like steering a ship after it's hit the iceberg. Too late. The warning light is just the tip of the problem, and by then, your options are limited. Why do we do it? Life's busy, and we fear unexpected costs. So we cross our fingers and hope for the best. With work, family, and bills piling up, car care feels like just another hassle. But hope isn't a maintenance strategy. Wishing away problems doesn't work for cars any more than it does for anything else in life. Proactive care is always smarter, safer, and cheaper. Regular checkups and small repairs keep your car running smoothly and help you avoid nasty surprises. Don't wait for the warning. Act before trouble starts. Book that service, check your fluids, and listen for those little changes in how your car feels. Your car, your wallet, and your safety will thank you. A little attention now means peace of mind and more miles of happy motoring ahead. Many UK drivers rely on MOT tests and dashboard lights as their only maintenance guide. But the MOT is just a snapshot. It checks basics like brakes and lights, not the whole picture. Passing an MOT doesn't guarantee your car won't break down tomorrow. Dashboard lights. They're not early warnings, they're alerts that something's already gone wrong. By the time a light flashes, damage is happening. Parts wear out gradually, not suddenly, and most issues go unnoticed until it's too late. Proactive maintenance fills the gap between silent wear and catastrophic failure. Don't let a false sense of security cost you more in the long run. UK roads and weather put unique stress on our cars, causing predictable failures. Top culprit? The battery? Cold, damp winters and short trips drain it fast. Brakes are next. Rain, salt, and stop-start traffic wear them down quickly. Ignore squeals or grinding and you risk total brake failure. Sensors are another weak spot. Moisture and dirt can cause them to fail, leading to rough running and breakdowns. Oil is often neglected. Short journeys cause sludge, blocking vital passages and starving your engine. Regular oil changes and using the right grade are essential. Know these common failure points and you can prevent most breakdowns. Stay ahead with simple checks and timely replacements. Prevention is always cheaper than repair. Ignoring small car issues triggers a domino effect. One problem quickly becomes many. What starts as a minor annoyance can quietly grow into a major headache, often without you even realizing it. Many drivers shrug off warning lights or strange noises, thinking they'll deal with it later. But that delay can be costly. Take a wheel bearing. A faint hum is cheap to fix, but left alone, it can destroy the hub, ABS sensor, and tire. That simple sound is your car's way of asking for help before things get worse. That $150 job can become a $600 headache. Suddenly, you're not just paying for a bearing, but for a whole list of repairs that could have been avoided. Or consider a minor oil leak. Fix it early for $20, or risk frying your alternator and facing a $300 bill. Oil leaks can also damage belts and other engine parts, multiplying the cost and hassle. Small issues escalate: worn brake pads, ruined discs, turning a simple pad change into a full brake system overhaul. That's more time off the road and more money out of your pocket. A faulty sensor clogs your catalytic converter, leading to expensive emissions repairs and even engine damage if ignored for too long. These problems lead to MOT failures and dangerous breakdowns. You could find yourself stranded on the motorway, waiting for help, or facing a failed inspection and a hefty repair list. The real cost isn't just money, it's your safety and time. Breakdowns can leave you and your loved ones vulnerable, disrupt your plans, and add stress to your day. Don't let procrastination turn a quick fix into a crisis. The longer you wait, the more complicated and expensive the repair becomes, and the more likely you are to be caught out at the worst possible moment. Tackle issues early, and you'll avoid big bills and bigger headaches. A little time spent now means peace of mind, and a car you can rely on. A little attention now saves a fortune later. Stay proactive, stay safe, and keep your journeys smooth and stress-free. Spending a little on your car before it breaks is the smartest move you can make. Think of it as an investment, not just an expense. By taking action early, you're not only avoiding bigger bills down the road, but also keeping your car running smoothly and safely for longer. Preventative maintenance means you control the timing, cost, and quality of repairs. You get to choose when and where to fix things, rather than being forced into a rushed, expensive decision when something suddenly fails. Replace a sluggish battery at your convenience, and it's quick and affordable. You avoid the stress of being stranded, and you can shop around for the best price and service. Wait for it to fail, and you'll pay more for emergency help and premium parts. Emergency call-outs and last-minute repairs often come with a hefty price tag, and you might not have time to find the best deal. The same goes for brakes, oil, and belts. Fix them early, and you protect expensive components. Neglecting these basics can lead to much bigger problems, like engine damage or brake failure, which are far more costly to fix. Breakdowns cost more than just repairs. They mean lost time, missed appointments, and extra hassle. You might miss work, important events, or even be left waiting for hours for a tow. A failed MOT means more expense and inconvenience. It can also mean your car is off the road for days, disrupting your routine and costing you even more in the long run. Investing in regular care buys you reliability and peace of mind. You'll drive with confidence, knowing your car is less likely to let you down when you need it most. The proactive approach always wins, financially and practically. Over time, the savings add up and your car holds its value better too. Don't wait for disaster. Act before it strikes. A few minutes spent checking your car now can save you hours and hundreds of pounds later. It's the best investment you can make in your car and in your own peace of mind. Proactive maintenance only works if you use quality parts that are built to last and perform reliably. Cheap, unbranded components might save money up front, but they often fail sooner and can compromise safety, leading to unexpected repairs. Trusted aftermarket brands often supply the same parts as main dealers, just without the inflated price tag or unnecessary markups. Companies like D2P Auto Parts offer high-quality, rigorously tested replacements for all major systems in your vehicle. Fast delivery and solid warranties mean less downtime, more confidence, and peace of mind for every driver. Don't risk your car's health or your safety with unknown sellers or questionable parts. Invest in reliable parts from reputable suppliers you can trust for every repair. Quality components are an investment in your safety, your car's future, and your peace of mind on the road. Neglecting your car is a recipe for stress and expense. Most breakdowns are the result of slow, unnoticed wear, not sudden failures. You can break the cycle with simple, regular checks. Listen for new noises, check your oil, and inspect your tires. Replace old batteries and worn brake pads before they fail. Routine care turns emergencies into easy fixes. With suppliers like D2P Auto Parts, getting quality parts is quick and affordable. Respect your car, and it'll reward you with reliability and safety. A little effort now saves a mountain of trouble later. Don't just hope for the best, plan for it. Proactive care keeps you, your passengers, and your wallet safe on the road.